Alright, so we're out here doing sheep check again, and we've got some new lambs. So I think we're up to 8 new ones for the season here. So maybe we can see some lambs. Brand new little brown one. Tabitha's got another one in here.
Is this the girl or boy? That's the girl.
And Will, you said we're up to what, 8 of them now?
8.
Got some other ones that found some warm spots to lay down up here. So it's lambing season.
All right, here is our newest lamb. She's, well, he or she, I can't tell yet. She's just learning to stand up. She's still getting like off her, she's wobbly, getting off of her knees or whatever and getting up. And her mama just gave birth. I don't know if she's got another one or not on the way. We'll have to watch mama. But I caught this one just being born and licked off. All right, we're at 9. So just that one that was just born is newer. Jesse, are you gonna go? Yeah. Okay, go ahead, buddy. Okay, so life can't all be work. Gotta have a little fun sometimes too. So today we're sledding. And it's cold and snowy, but it'll be fun.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You gonna try that one?
Go.
Can you steer it?
Put your feet on the
Where's the brake at? Do you know where the brake is? Where? You push it down if you want to brake, okay?
They don't work!
Ooh, that's making me nervous. Wow, that went really fast.